Good morning. We are at Pike Lake State Park, northwest of Milwaukee, about 25 miles, about 30 minutes from my house. This is one of the state parks that is designated no deer hunting. I do have my blaze orange on just to be careful. A little chilly today, about 17 degrees, about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're not going to let a little cold weather stop us from hiking, so we're going to get going on this hike now. Why don't you come along for the ride? Yeah, this trail starts off with like 4 different trails in one. You got the green, the blue, the brown, and part of the Ice Age trail runs through here too. Yeah, the first part of this trail is also a bike trail too. Now we are, bike trail goes off that way. We're actually going forward now. And no bikes allowed now on this part of the trail. But I don't think there's gonna be anybody out here bicycling when it's 17 degrees anyway, so let's keep going. Okay, we're making an executive decision. We were going to do the brown loop. We switched to do the green, and it's about a mile off. It'll take it down like a little over 2.5 miles instead of 3 or 3 over. Okay, this part of the trail we are actually running with the Ice Age Trail now. Ice Age Trail comes all through this area, and so this is actually part of the Ice Age Trail, which is really nice. We haven't seen anybody else out here. Maybe it's because it's 15, 17 degrees out. Oh, the sun is out. A little cold. Face is cold. The rest of my body's doing well. I'm in layers. I brought extra stuff with me, and I'm trying out some new stuff I'm wearing, and it's working out really good. The only thing that's getting cold is my right hand to operate my phone and my face. So I've got face coverings at home, but it's not too bad. Coming back up to our car in the parking lot here. This is my first, I'm going to call this a winter hike because it's winter. Last winter we didn't have really too many cold days. I was hiking in February when it was 45, 50 degrees. So it's end of November here and it's like 15 out. So with wind chills probably about close to zero. So thank you for coming along.